Hello, fellow DIYers. Thank you for joining Mountain Chic by Ruby. Today we're going to learn something really easy. The transformation is going to blow your mind. So stay tuned to see what we do with this Dollar Tree glass.
All right, let's get started. We're going to be working in the snow today. All right, you're going to just need a jar. I got mine from the dollar store. You'll need a squirt bottle with half and half vinegar and water. And then spray paint. You're going to need, I like the Krylon looking glass because it looks like a mirror, and that's kind of the look I want. And then for my accent colors that are going to be kind of popping through, I'm using a metallic gold and a rust color. But pick what you want for your decor. Okay, let's get started. All right, just like a little popsicle stick there. I'm just going to wrap a napkin or paper towel around there. I'm just making something that I can blot the vinegar and water when I spray that. Yeah, this is real talented, huh? Yes, that's one of my assistants in the background. That was Zeus. Oh, and there goes Thor. All right, let's get started. Okay, on the can it does say shake for 1 minute, and you know what? You kind of really have to do it. Shake, 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 and shake some more. All right, we're going to be spraying into the jar, and don't worry if it's not perfect. If you get little drip marks or more spray paint in one area than the other, it's no big deal. And if you have a little pool of paint, then just kind of keep turning your jar around, and then that way the paint will kind of start to dry and drip out. And you can see there are some shiny spots in there already. You don't want it to get too shiny, so really don't wait too long before you start spraying your vinegar and water. And you're spraying that in the inside as well. You can see the little speckles. All right, our trusty little blotter. And you have to do this very gently. And again, I know when a video is sped up, it kind of looks like you're being a little more rough than what you are, but really you have to do this very gently, because if you rub, it'll actually take the silver paint off. And you may want that. You may want just very little silver and more rust coming through, or the color of your choice. But look at this. You can kind of see where the paint came off, and you want that, so don't panic. But look how cute that is. You could really leave it just like that. But of course, I have to make it more mountain chic than just chic. Okay. The struggle is real, people. Yes, trying to get the top off. Oh, I did it. Kind of came apart a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to spray the rust in the inside as well. And all of the little bubbles that I blotted, they kind of pop. And then when you spray your rust in there, it'll show through. Okay, I know it looks kind of like I burnt it, but look how cool that is. That's what you want. Okay, so the reason why I use a metallic gold, one, I like to combine styles. Shake, shake, shake. All right, I like to combine styles, and so you never know. You might find something you really like with silver, you might find it with gold, so I like to combine it. Also, the metallic gold gives a nice finished look. See? And the gold shows through, and the rust. So it looks very vintage. All right, part 2 here. I'm deciding, do I want to use the candlestick or the votive? For what I am going to be using this for, which of course is a surprise, right? I think the votive looks much better. Let's go with that. I'm going to use E6000, but if you have worked with it, you know that it takes a while to dry. And so in the video it doesn't show, but I backed it up with some hot glue just to make it go faster so that I didn't have to hold it as long. You'll be seeing my assistants coming up pretty soon. Yep. And gave me a nice little surprise. Slobbery surprise. All right, it's all glued on. Okay, so here we are. Now, there is a little hole back there. So I'm going to put a little note in there. It just says, don't worry, it's just from the dollar store. Because I was hoping for these to go in one of my son's bathrooms. And so, you know, boys, they might just break it. So I thought if they break it, they'll see a little note. All right, adding a little bit of rustic and even a little farmhouse, I'm putting some twine around. Every once in a while, I just use a little bit of hot glue just to secure it. And if you notice, this jar already tilts, and this was at the dollar store. So I wanted another one, and I wanted it to tilt, but I wanted it to be a little bit smaller. So that's why I combined the votive with that little jar. And you'll see at the end why. So cute. Okay, now for the little one that has the little note in there. So if anybody breaks it, they don't have to go, oh no, Mom's vintage vase. She's gonna kill me. Nope, they'll see the note and see, nope, just dollar store stuff. No biggie. I'm putting some twine around there, which actually covers that little hole nicely. And then I'll also put some twine around the mouth of that jar as well. This project really was quick. You do have to go outside for the spray paint, but then you can bring it indoors for the rest. Look at that, how cute! You're still wondering, what is it? All right, well, I'm gonna put cotton balls and Q-tips. Super cute. All right, and voila, look at this. I don't know if you can tell, but this is not one of my son's bathrooms. This is actually my bathroom. So yes, I hijacked it and it's staying in my bathroom because I thought they were so doggone cute. So if you liked this video, if it inspired you, please give it a like, send me a comment down below, and make sure you share it with a friend and subscribe. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again real soon.